Hey, my name is Tom Goodwin. I'm the CEO and owner of Mountain Laurel Chalets in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where for 49 years we have sought to bring value to people and experiences through trusted leadership and innovation in the vacation rental management market. We're excited that you're checking us out and looking for opportunities to maximize the return on your investment of your Smoky Mountain cabin. So we would love to share with you a little bit more about how Mountain Laurel can make a difference. And one of the things I want to share with you today is our philosophy on finances. And one of the main things that is a guiding principle for us is that we believe that we're generous stewards. We want to give you a great return on your investment. And part of that is having incredible integrity and transparency in our finances. Our owners receive their deposit for the previous month's rents by the first of the month. That's right. On the first of every month, you will receive through ACH a deposit into your account reflecting the rents from the previous months, as well as a detailed list of all of the reservations that occurred in that previous month. We do this as a part of our trust accounting system. Now, let me tell you the secret sauce to that trust accounting, which a lot of other competitors don't follow this philosophy. We are very conservative when it comes to our financial integrity and handling your finances and being good stewards of that. Therefore, we employ what we call trust accounting. All future monies for future reservations are held in an escrow account until the reservation is complete, meaning the guest has checked out, they're a satisfied purchaser, and we then transfer their money from escrow into our operating account and transfer that money onto you. That allows us by the first of the month to send you the money that you earned from that month. So what we don't do is we don't presume on the future, and we don't spend people's reservation money for a reservation that has not been complete. So let's say you're a family that's booking one of our larger homes a year in advance. So you got to do that so often to get the larger homes. And they book a year in advance and put a $5,000 or a $3,000 deposit down. It would be really tempting as a company to take all of those $3,000 deposits and begin spending that on our marketing and our promotion and our operations and for payroll. And some companies are desperate to do that. However, we do not touch that money at all. We don't presume on that. We don't budget it until the next year when that reservation has been complete. Why does this make a difference, and why should you really be asking your vacation rental management company if they practice trust accounting? Well, in 2020, we experienced a global pandemic. How did we respond? We responded according to our core values. And we respected people's deposits, we respected their money, we respected the uncertainty of our times, and we gave all of our guests in March, April, and May full refunds without question. And we were able to do that because that money was sitting in escrow. We hadn't spent the money. We hadn't planned on that money. We hadn't used that money for payroll or for marketing or operating expenses. We weren't presuming on the future. And that allowed us to extend a lot of goodwill to our owners. That not only satisfied them, but it increased our brand satisfaction. So when we opened back up in May, part-time and full-time in June, we've been overwhelmed with repeat business. In fact, 90% of all of our reservations come directly through our website and through our phone at our office, and only 10% come through national online travel agencies such as VRBO, Vrbo, or HomeAway, or Expedia, or Airbnb. So we are very committed to trust accounting, to not spending money for the future. This also came into play when we had the fires, the unfortunate fires in 2016, and we lost half of our homes in one night. 46 homes were burned down. If we had spent people's future reservation money, we'd be out of business. And you would be out of, as an owner, you would be out of that money as well for those future reservations. We would have just had to leave. And I think it really kind of frightened some competitors in realizing, wow, we've already spent some of this money. How do we make this up? We take out loans, we take out line of credit. We're going to have to struggle to survive. In that season, we didn't skip a beat. We paid all of our employees, we stayed on time, we stayed on track, we readjusted our business model to accommodate for half the number of homes. And since then, we've been building up selectively on the number of homes that we would have in our program. So as we come into our 50th year of business in the Gatlinburg community, we are seeking to increase our inventory by 20 homes. If you want to be a part of a company that employs trust accounting and lives according to our core values in the good times and in the challenging times, then I want to encourage you to reach out to me, Tom Goodwin, at Mountain Laurel Chalets. My email is included here, or feel free to call me on my cell phone at 770-298-1182. Thanks so much for checking in, and hope to see you soon.